And hello everybody. I'm gonna be making some black salt really quick today. So to make some black salt, I'm gonna go ahead and start off with some eggs. Now these are some eggs I use every day. After I use them, I literally just rinse them off, put it back in my little egg container tray until I'm done with it. Until I need it. And once I need it, that's when I summon it from my refrigerator and just take it out and start the process to crush it up. So that's what I'm doing here. I am taking my dried up eggshells and crushing them up in this cauldron. Now, let me tell y'all something. This was some work. I was pitting my back in this boy. So yeah, you had to get it powderized. I swear to God, next time I'm just gonna use the food processor. I ain't gonna hold you. It would have been much faster. But that's the process halfway through. It's still got a lot of thick chunks, so I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna go ahead and smash them more. Smash you, dash you. Yeah. I ain't gonna hold y'all. I'm gonna go ahead and speed this up or reverse it, cut straight to when I go to the salt. Okay, yep, there it is, my powder. Yeah, that's how it's supposed to be, powdery. And I'm gonna go ahead and pour this into my my jar, my little mason glass. It's a lot more powdery. Yes, that's the consistency you want. Now, in terms of the salt, listen, that's the kind of salt I just pour into my my little grinder, and it crushes up my salt and pepper all into one. So I just use that salt, very, very crystallized. I crushed that up too, but I didn't crush this up that good. But still, I still crushed that thing on up. But you're gonna take your salt, crush it up, and you're gonna pour that also into your little mixture with the eggshells. Yeah, pour that, girl. Go ahead, girl, pour that. All right. So now what you're going to do is you're going to get your activated charcoal. Yeah, you're going to get your activated charcoal. I guess you could tell I'm from Jersey. God damn. Anyway, get your activated charcoal. That's a 5-finger grasp, but really we just recycle packaging here. That was my last little bit of activated charcoal. I just poured it in there. Go ahead and stir it up to your best of your abilities. Yeah, I'm going to go ahead and mix that thing. So black salt is good for spiritual uses. It's good for banishing negative energies and entities. It's an energy neutralizer. So anything that is, if you're like under sort of any attacks or just having your energy being drained so easily, this is good for you. This is good for that. This is also good for protection. It is also good for cloaking and shielding yourself and your energy as well. All right.